So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to draw Oggy. Now we'll start our drawing with the help of a rough sketch by sketching some guidelines. Start from the top and extending it to the bottom. And one more line from the center of the page and one more line. Now we'll draw two ovals for two eyes. And then we will make an oval here and a circle for the nose. And here we will again draw a circle. And here we will make the draw like this. This is the tongue. Now we will continue our body. We will draw a circle for the stomach and then we will shape. We will draw the feet like this. And here we will draw the hair of Oggy. And here for the tail we will draw an oval like this. And here we will draw the hands and the glove. And here we will draw an oval and an oval. And here we will draw the second hand. And then the guidelines for this little drawing. And then is the whole sketch of the little. Now we make the final level sketch or second level detailed drawing. I am starting from eye. And then we ease the whole sketch with little mind. Now we'll make the fine level detailing in our drawing or coloring in our drawing. I'll display the name of the colors at the screen with the help of text. You can watch it and draw accordingly. Then we sketch the whole drawing with the help of our pencil. And with my scientific primitive of Oggy, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you really enjoyed, leave a like and also subscribe to more lessons like this. I meet you in the next video. Wait for the next one. Till then.